Natural po ba sa low carb ang magka-allergy? Baka po sobrang kain ng egg at chicken. So, what do you mean allergy? Yung mga skin rash lang ba? Baka naman keto rash lang yan, kapatid. Keto rash is very common sa low carb dahil ito ay byproduct ng fat burning. So, when you burn fat for fuel, nag-transition ka, right? So, galing ka sa sugar burning, naging fat burner ka. Ano yung tatlong fuel sa fat burning? Beta-hydroxybutyrate, acetoacetate, tsaka acetone. Saan napupunta yung acetone? It evaporates sa balat, nagiging keto rash. It may just be from that. Akala mo allergy, but it's actually just keto rash. If you're worried about allergy, for example, sa mga specific food, like for example, eggs, chicken, madali naman yan. By elimination lang, kapatid. Iwasan mo lang muna for 1 week, iwasan mo muna yung eggs. And then if hindi naman natanggal yung rash mo, nandyan pa rin. It's not the eggs. So it's by elimination lamang po, okay?